Examples. Now there is some examples of matrix spaces. First matrix space is D1 P1 comma P2, which is equals to mod of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, which is defined on R2. Where is the matrix is defined is on R2, right? Now D2, other matrix is D2, which is defined on R2. This matrix space. These are the functions. Okay, we should prove the three properties, and then we take this function describe a matrix space on R2. Okay, what is this function? D infinity of p comma p1 comma p2, which is equals to, what is the meaning of infimum? Always when you take infimum, that is there exists a supremum of two elements. If there is two elements, that mod of x1 minus x2 comma y1 minus y2, we should take a supremum of this. Then this function is called infinite function on a matrix D. Okay, what is D? Which is R2. Now in this C of closed interval 0 comma 1 denote the set of all continuous function on the intervals closed interval 0 comma 1 to R. This space is called the set of all continuous function. Okay, though for f comma z, so if there is all continuous functions, so we take f comma z as a functions, not as an element. Okay, x1 x2, not this type of thing. Okay, so if you take f comma g, then the d infinity, which is equals to supremum of mod of fx minus fg, where such that x is in closed intervals 0 comma 1. Okay, then it can be verified that easily verified that D infinity is a matrix on C of closed interval 0 comma 1. There is this space is called continuous functions space. Okay, now uniform norm of f minus g on closed interval 0 comma 1. D infinity of f comma g, which is equals to norm of f minus g. Norm of f denotes the uniform norm of f. Okay, norm of f define the uniform norm of f on the set closed interval 0 comma 1. Now fifth example is that on closed this space C of closed interval 0 comma 1 define D1 matrix by D1 of f comma g, which is equals to integral of 0 comma 1 to mod of f minus g. There is always the functions have integral properties, so we have to take integral properties to prove this space is a matrix space on C of closed interval 0 comma 1. This matrix space is the most important matrix space. Matrix space takes the, if S is equals to 2, if two elements are equals, then the distance function is 0, and if both are not equals, then it is 1. So this space is called matrix space.